Hey guys, so today I am showing you guys footages of us going to Joann Fabric where we were looking to find a suitable piece of material for the upholstering of our dining chairs. You guys would have seen this footage in a previous vlog, so this is just a recap. So we will get into the real video momentarily. Guys, so these are the chairs that we are actually trying to renovate, to rewrap, and to just give it a facelift so that it looks way more appealing. The padding is non-existent and the color is quite off and dirty. The fabric is in a deplorable condition. And so, yeah, we're just trying to just repair it so that we can have it for our use. All right, so yeah, stick and stay because we are going to be showing you guys how we, go through the process of doing that.
On top of it, like such. And just
It's not straight in the back though.
It's not supposed to. It's supposed to be. It's good. You can't steer because it's here. And then I'm just going to try to, once it dry a little bit more, I'm going to try to trim off the excess so that the sponge becomes a seat, and then put the batting on. My upholstering skills, I learned it from my daddy. Alright.
So this is the before board. The sun won't let us be great, but yeah.
Right. So now I just take my utility knife and cut the edges. Ta-da!
So the first thing we have to do is measure the sponging and cut off the excess. I think they make it somewhat of a standard size, but of course everybody's chair is a little bit off in terms of the measurement, so we're just cutting off the excess to fit this particular chair. And here, guys, you will see me cutting the fabric for the chair cover as well as the batting together, just to make sure that they are the exact measurement, because they're going to be both wrapped around the sponge and the board in order to cover the seating. And once the fabric and the batting is draped over the board and the sponge, you want to ensure that it is properly stapled, and then go ahead and cut off any excess fabric after the fabric has been properly stapled. You have to make sure you pull it taut so that it is tight enough. Now we have like a lining that we're putting over the board area just to make it have a nicer finish. Staple that down and voila, that's it. And just like that, you guys, chair number 1 is done.
I mean, I don't know more.
Yeah, of course. You don't look bad.
Look a bungle in a guant thing.
You did a good job. You did a good job.
Sit down, panic.
I had a good job. And the sit test. It's comfortable. I could eat my dinner right now.
She have no sense. Anyway, bye.
It's always good to provide moral support, Always good. You have to provide moral support. So while I sit and keep him company, he's working super hard.
I'm about to quit. That's it.
You can't quit. You cannot quit. You gotta keep pushing. And just like that, you guys, seat number 2. Woohoo! Thinking that we need to get some Scotch Guard to cover it because of the color and the type of fabric. Yeah, if there's any type of spillage, then it will potentially soil the entire fabric. So we might, investigate getting some Scotch Guard for the fabric.
The one was missing right here, so I'm going to put something, put a different style in there.
Okay, so we thought the renovation was done, but no siree Bob.
Yeah, some the rust did up on the chair foot them. Some couldn't, never want them back in the house like that,
Okay.
I had to do what I had to do.
Alright, so you guys see the rust. The rust areas, yeah. So you're spraying it, right?
I'm trying.
Oh, and he also put some stoppers at the bottom. Yeah, so that it's more sturdy. It was kind of unbalanced, so he added these new thingies at the bottom.
That's why I'm spraying over the whole thing, because I have to try to inhibit or whatever, stop the rust. This is what happens when you put mop. When you do wet mop and around the chair foot with the soap after a period of time.
Oh, okay, that's what causes it to rust. Rusty, 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 rusty. Those are the tapes that were used to cover the tile area, just to prevent it from getting damaged with the spray. So once it dry, I'm just removing that from there. Pardon the panting. Pardon the panting. I was working out and I'm breathless.
Really?
Alright, so now the goal is to put the padding on the seat, the seat onto the frame, because everything is dried and looking very antique and vintage and nice. Final step, you guys. Final step. The securation. for the win. Hee.
Now we can stop bothering me.
You did an excellent job. You did a good job.
Me tired of good job.
Awesome.
Yeah, between you and Joshua, that's what they mean.
Awesome. Yeah, so it is definitely worth it. The upgrade is definitely appreciated. You know, the other one was definitely not at all comfortable. The cushion was worn down. The coloring was, you know, super soiled, and so yeah, we had to get it taken care of. So yeah, we went with something in the same color scheme because we figured that it was, you know, more practical to go with something more neutral so that it will easily match back with any wall color that we decide to go with in the future. So we just kept it with this beige color with a hint of what looks like a green, a very light green. You probably would have to see it in person to see it, but yeah, well, that's it, you guys. Our dining chairs are all reupholstered, and at least we'll have something to sit on for the holidays. Yeah. So there you have it, you guys, our DIY dining chair renovation or restoration. Yes, and a big shout out to the hubby YardieBellyTV for making this a reality and for making this project a success. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Remember to like the video, comment, share, and tell a friend about natural hair and Max. Love you. Bye.